everyone. Welcome to our Unit 1 Melodic Dictation lesson. It's going to be pretty straightforward. We're going to put together everything that we've learned, rhythmic dictation, even a bit of sight singing, and wrap it all into a nice little melodic dictation bow. For this week, as you remember, for this unit, we are sticking to the pentachord, so the first 5 notes of the scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, or in minor, do, re, mi, fa, sol. And for melodic dictation, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to stick to half notes, quarter notes, maybe a dotted half note if we need to round out a measure. All right, so this first dictation is in F major. You can see it at the bottom of the screen. We have 4 measures. We're in 4/4, and we start on mi. And here's your key. There's do. Here's mi. Okay, so now you should have your manuscript set up, and you are going to set up your vertical lines for the rhythm. So since we don't have eighth notes, you just need 1 per beat. So you should have 4 lines above each measure, as evenly spaced out as you can get them. So go ahead and do that. And now we're going to do 2 listenings for the rhythm. So remember, you're counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll count you in, and you're going to keep counting. And you might even want to tap your foot. That could help too. And you're going to be making your marks along with what I'm playing. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Good. Let's try it once again. So here you could be checking your work, you could be taking another listening, or maybe you've already got it and you're just like, come on, get on with it already. But let's give it another listening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Good. If you need to, pause the video. You can back up, record it so you remember if you need to. And check your rhythmic marks. You should have, I'll give you the rhythmic marks here. And then let's take a minute. You can pause if you need to and translate that into note values above the staff. So go ahead and do that. And that looks like this. So we've got a half note, 2 quarters, 4 quarters, a half note plus 2 quarters, and 4 quarters. So it's a repeated rhythm. There we go. So these next 3 listenings, we're going to get the melody. For the first listening, you're going to do 2 things. You're going to get the first few notes. You already know that it started on an A half note, so try and get like the next 3 pitches. And then just listen, and then try and get the last couple pitches. So figure out where you end. Because you're also trying to memorize it. You've already heard it a couple times. You should have it in your ear a little bit. See how much you can commit to memory on this next one. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where does it end? Ends on do. We're going to end on do for a while. That's fine. Okay, so how do you get to do? So our melodies are going to be mostly stepwise unless we need to get back to do at the end. And then we could have a skip. And here we do have a skip. And what else? How does it start? See if you can sing it. Just try and sing it to yourself. See how far you can get. Let's try it together. The more you can memorize it, the more listenings you can give yourself, right? Even if you can only sing the first few notes, pause, sing as much as you can get, and write that down. Okay, come back when you're ready. All right, good. So let's do listening number 4. So at this point, you're trying to either memorize a little bit more. I also will sometimes just write shorthand solfege. So a D, an R, an M, just because that's something you could scribble in real fast while you're going. Or you could try drawing arrows for it's going up, it's going down. Anything to kind of jot little notes down to yourself, that's fine too. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. So again, pause, sing back what you can, write down what you can. You have one more listening. So ideally, at this point, you are checking your work. You're filling in a gap here or there. It's fine if you're not there. Okay, so let's keep going. One more listening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. So let's pause again if you need to. Maybe try and sing it one more time. There's some repeated notes, right? Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to do some sight singing. You're going to look at what you have written down, and you're going to try and sight sing it back to yourself. So you start on me. So pause the video and sing back what you have written using solfege. Okay, let's sing it together. We'll see if what I sing matches what you sing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do. How'd you do? Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do. Okay, so let's see that translated into pitches. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. So again, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do. Good. Okay. You don't have to be perfect. If you didn't get it all, that's okay. What you did learn here is the process. And after we're all done, you're going to go over to Auralia and do as much practice as you need until you really get it. Okay. So no worries if you didn't get that. You're going to have plenty of opportunities for practice. Let's move on to one in minor, and we're going to be in C minor. We're going to start in Do. And let's just listen to the minor pentachord real quick. Okay, so we're in 3/4, we're in C minor, and we start on Do. So you should make your rhythmic marks. You should have 3 lines above each measure. Okay, 4 measures. And let's take, again, 2 listenings for the rhythm. So pause if you need to. I'm going to jump into it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this time I'm going to keep counting, and I want you to count out loud with me, just like I'm counting. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that should help you give it a place to put your notes. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So check your rhythmic marks, translate them into note values, and here's what that should look like here. So we have 3/4 notes, 3/4 notes, a half note, and then the rest is quarter notes. About as easy as it gets, right? So let's get the melody. We start on do and we end on do. So just get like maybe the first few notes and the last few notes. So you can work backwards at the end. And try and memorize it too. It's all stepwise. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do, 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 do. Sing that with me. Do, do, do. Do you remember what happens next? Do, 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 do. How do you get back to do? You start up here. Do, 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 do. So start with do at the end and see if you can do it in reverse to get those pitches. Okay, that's going to give you almost a whole dictation. If you know that you start going up, and you drop down, you go up again, and then you just come back down to do. Think that through. Pause and think that through, what that would look like on the page and what that would give you for solfege. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, pause, try and sing it back, see if what you have on solfege makes sense with what you have on page. So now's the time to pause it, and you can sing it on lieu, and then try and solfege it. Okay, and then come back for the last listening. All right, last listening. 1, 2, 3. Let's try and solfege it together. Do, 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And here's what that looks like in pitches. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. So check what you have on the page. Make sure everything's in order. Again, your assignment is to go into Aurelia and do the melodic dictation drills until you're sick of it, until you have it to where you can just listen and you can go and it's easy and it's beautiful. I promise, if it's really hard for you, keep at it. It will get easier. If you do it for like 10 hours and you still don't get it, drop me an email and we'll talk about what you're doing. But that's it. I will see you guys in, so you're going to do that assignment and then you're going to do the little mini quiz to go over everything to make sure you've got everything in place. And if you need to go back and do more practice, that's fine. Everything's unlimited. Totally cool. And I'll see you guys in Unit 2. Okay. Bye.